Cookie. You gotta share, buddy. Cookie, no!
You know what? One day we're gonna talk about boundaries, okay? I'm not your pillow. Just because you can lay anywhere you want to, you're a little... Thank you.
Mom.
My heart went, ooh, I never will forget. My heart went, ooh, I never will forget.
Wow.
My heart turned hoop.
This is my favorite dog challenge. Gasp at your dog and see what they do. Gasp dramatically.
I mean, how many times? How many times are you gonna let him rule your life? That's your bed.
I was just gonna close this because it looked wrong, but something told me to check inside for this idiot.
Can I go? Please? Thank you.
He takes his naps very seriously. Some would say he's dead. But he's not.
Sometimes are the doggos. Catos can be. Ah, bitch! Why? Why? Jack. Come here. Come here.
I owed him up.
Come on. Come on, come here. Hey, bud.
Dude, stop. Okay? Stay up.
He's so sad.
Shut the fuck up, my cat!
Peaky. What the fuck? His face. His face.
Hi. Okay. Okay.